सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
My dear friends, good morning. Today we will learn the remaining part of the story The Necklace. So my dear students, since 2 videos we are learning this beautiful story about a poor married woman, Mathilde. She saw a dream to be wedded with an aristocrat, but due to the error of fate, she married with a poor educational ministry clerk. My dear student, it was an error of her fate. Due to the destiny, she was facing such problems. My dear students, she always saw the dreams that have a beautiful, huge, white mansion, and she also thought herself that in her dream to sit with her friends chatting in a perfumed room. But these whole the things, guys, are waste in front of before the destiny. So my dear students, I would not tell you the other things because in 2 videos we saw the summary of the things. But dear students, today I would like to complete this chapter. So that's why, guys, I have selected that topic to be completed. So my dear students, as you see on the screen, so this passage has been already taught by me, but my dear students, I would like to summarize few lines. That lines are very important for your education, for your understanding. My dear students, Mathilde had not a dress, but her husband offered her some money, some 400 francs, to buy a new dress. And after she buying a dress, instead of having a dress, she is still looking like pale, dull, upset. And that's why, guys, one day her husband asked her, why are you looking like so pale? So she answered that, she replied that, I have a dress but I don't have any ornament, a stone, jewelry, nothing I have for wearing. So what should I wear as ornaments? She looks like very upset. But she suddenly remembered her her friend, Mrs. Foster, who was the convent classmate of Mathilde, and she went to Mrs. or Madame Foster for asking her some of the jewelries. Madame Foster also a very kind lady. She offered her wardrobe and put out some boxes of jewelries and opened it and said that, oh my dear, what you want, please choose it. Please take it what you want. My dear students, after checking the whole boxes, after checking the jewelries, Mathilde was looking unsatisfied. Why? Because she wants better than these jewelries. So dear students, she asked very curiously, you have nothing else? So she asked this question. She was a very foolish question. I think that it is my opinion, dear students. I don't know what is your opinion, but due to the curiosity, the person's behaving like this. After asking such a question, Madame Foster also suddenly discovered another box It was a black stain box. What is or what was inside of that black stain box? Something different, guys, we can say that. So what is the things is there? So my dear student, it was a black stain box, and after having these box, so she said that we are on a page number 26, guys. I am try to read these things, guys, for your better understanding. So what is inside of the box? What was inside of the box? There was superb diamond necklace. Yes, it was a beautiful, a very nice diamond necklace in front of Mathilde. Yes, and I think that, guys, she might become very happy after watching the sight before her eyes. And her heart began to beat with the uncontrolled desire. My dear students, we should have satisfied with our treasures. What we have, we should be satisfied in too. But my dear students, Mathilde was a girl, a woman who was not satisfied with her treasure. She wants another treasures. She looking for more and more. And also, guys, her very close friend Madame Faustine offered her a necklace which was the diamond necklace. And after watching the sight, her heart was racing with uncontrolled desire. Her hands trembled as she took it. She fastened it around her neck and stood lost in a ecstasy as she looked at herself. My dear students, our protagonist Mathilde, who was looking like very happy, she got a heavenly happiness, and she looks like a very joyful. Her heart was also fastened, and it was beating with the uncontrolled desire, my dear students. So then, without any wasting time, Mrs. Mathilde Loisel completely took her hands around the neck of her friend Madame Faustine, and she was very happy, my dear students. Then she asked her anxiously, hesitating, would you lend me this, just this? The next question of Madame Loisel's to Madame Faustine's, would you give me this necklace for a one day? I want this. I like this diamond necklace very much. Can you lend me this for a one day? It was a question. Why? Yes, of course. Why not? It is your wealth. It is your treasure. You can lend this. She threw her arms around her friend's neck rapturously, then fled with her treasure. My dear student, after getting this valuable treasure, she was looking like very happy, and after rapturously her arms around her friend's neck, she fled with her treasures. It was a very important treasure that he had gotten by her friends. The day of a party arrived. Madame Loisel was a success. She was prettier than all the other women, elegant, gracious, smiling, and full of joy. My dear student, on the day of the party, Madame Loisel looks like a very elegant, gorgeous, smiling, and prettier than all the women who presented in the party. She danced wildly with the passion, forgetting everything in the triumph of her beauty and success, floating in a cloud of happiness. My dear student, at that moment, it was a moment she was looking like very happy, elegant, gorgeous, and beautiful, more beautiful than others. And on the day, she danced on the clouds. The sky also getting short for her. She danced very widely with a passion, and she forget everything before this treasure. She looking like very happy, guys. Mathilde and her husband left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. After finishing the party, guys, both the persons, Mathilde and her husbands, left the party, and around 4 o'clock in the morning, the party has been finished. When they were finally in the street, they could not find a cab. They walked down toward a sign till they found one. They were dropped off at their door in the Rue des Martyrs. It is her home, guys, and sadly it was all over for her. My dear student, Mathilde was fond of such a things and she enjoyed the moments. She was looking very nicely, but after these things happening, after finished these things, she looks very sad, because the whole the things were finished for her, aimed for her. And after searching cabs, they didn't get any cab for reaching to the home. They find everywhere the cabs, but I think that finally they reached to the home, and she was looking like so sad because of completing these moments. And I think that, guys, yes, we are looking like very joyful in our happy moments, but we look very sad in our bad moments. So we should not behave like this. So another passage, my dear students, in front of a mirror she took a final look at herself in all her glory, but suddenly she uttered a cry. She no longer had the necklace on her neck. My dear students, it was the era of fate. Why? After enjoying these moments, after enjoying such a thing, such an experienceful day, she has enjoyed that night. But after reached at the home, she wants to take a glance of a diamond necklace. But after watching, when she stood before the mirror, she looked towards her neck, but her neck was emptied. Why? Because the necklace was not around her neck. And I think that she got very disappointed, my dear student. What is the matter? Asked her husband, and immediately her husband also asked her, what is the matter, Mathilde? Why are you shouting? She turned towards him, panic-stricken. I no longer have Madame Foster necklace. She was lost her necklace, with a golden necklace, and that's why, guys, she looks like a very sad. She replied to her husband, I have not no longer have Madame Foster's necklace. He stood up distraught. What? How? That's impossible. The whole the things were wasteful for those persons, guys, because of her mistake. I think that she was in a very happy moments, and that's why, guys, she didn't give any attention or care about the golden necklace, and that's why, guys, someone steal her necklace. It was the possibility, my guys. I don't know by her or whom her necklace has lost, but I think that she lost her necklace, and that's why, guys, she again entered in the back days of the sorrow. My dear students, I think that you have very well understood it. I may hope that you may understand this topic very well. So today I would like to tell you, guys, the first part of this topic we have successfully finished. After this topic, guys, we will learn another part number 2 in our next video. But my dear students, before starting this video, please complete the English workshop. Also there is English workshop. Please complete the workshops. Don't wait for the orders, just try to study very hard. So there are some words also. I will give you the words also by its meanings. So please do your works with honesty. Thank you very much, guys.